Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can basically do if the lighting is too bright on Dress to Impress, like on the Freeplay mode. So I'm just walking over there. I don't have like the fast walk one. I will be getting that soon hopefully though. But go to this area, and as you can see it's a little bit too bright like on the face, so select this icon on the bottom left corner, and to change the lighting color just select this arrow, go to the wheel and just make it darker like that. You can make it either warmer, you can choose any color that you want here as well. But that's pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.